Down in Enfield doing a 4-day training camp here and trying to nail down our detail before we fly off to Argentina. There's real strength of the squad, we're all real good mates. These 4-day camps kind of help us get closer going into big tournaments. So yeah, it's a real strength of ours, kind of our friendship with each other, and we all play for each other.
The way that Charlie was out in France last year for the championship, it definitely brings a whole lot more experience to the squad. He knows like the goings on, not even on the pitch, like just so how much downtime we need and stuff like that. And he's very able to give the squad like what they need to know and stuff. So he's very good for experience-wise, and just as a captain, it's just something that you can definitely follow through. He says all the right things.
I was on the 19s last year, so it was great to go to the World Cup. It was more as a substitute, but yeah, hopefully I can use my experience from last year just to help the lads on a bit, give them a few tips on how to stay positive in camp and keep that atmosphere where it needs to be. We learned the importance of momentum. We had a very close game with the French in the first game, which unfortunately didn't go our way, and it did affect the rest of our tournament. So we're going to try and learn from that and start well this year.
France did enough, and just about enough in the end.
All the groups are going to be tough. If you're going to a World Cup, it's going to be tough out there. So I think our motto is, if you want to be the best, you got to beat the best. England, Australia, and Italy. It's definitely a tough tournament and a tough group to start it off with. Look, yeah, we back ourselves. We're confident, definitely.
Yeah, Australia obviously a great team, and they beat New Zealand there, and they won that Oceania tournament. So we're expecting a lot from them, but we're not really looking past this first game. This England game is our main focus at the moment, and there hasn't been much mention of Australia, but they're obviously going to be a very good side, and we'll have a look at that after the England game.
We know what England are going to bring. They're a very tough side, and we found that out in Cork, first night of the Six Nations. So we're under no illusions. It's definitely going to be a tough battle, but we're confident in what we bring, and we're confident that we'll come out the right side. We won the Six Nations, but I think the biggest learning from it is we need to be a whole lot better to win the World Cup, and I think that's the same with every squad that played in the Six Nations. I think every squad is going to grow, especially England. From the very first game we played, and we experienced a hell of a lot from that day, and it was a tough battle, and I think they're going to come at us again in the first game. So I think just the biggest learning was we need to improve.
Learn the importance of just focusing on yourself as a team and as an individual, and trusting others in your team to do their job, and you just focus on you doing your job. Yeah, so mainly just backing yourself and focusing on yourself is the main thing I've learned, the importance of that and how it can help you.
Throughout the Six Nations, the pack gave me a platform to play on that was unbelievable. A huge credit goes to them when I'm playing well, and if the pack aren't going too well, I think I'm not going to have the best game either. So I think we haven't come up with that yet, so credit goes to the pack whenever I play well. Look, I think the first game is going to set us up massively. If we win that, we're in a good spot, and I think we back ourselves to win it. Yeah.
It's a brilliant tournament. It's brilliant for the lads. It's an opportunity just to show how they compare against the best in the world in their position. So it's an unbelievable opportunity for everyone here, and it's the same for all the other countries. Just see how you mark up against your opposite number.